808 Bentana.
You got mail.
What's up, family? It's been a minute since I came on here and talked to you guys. LFG Fishing, back at y'all with another video. So we're gonna be fishing with today, but before I get into these type of topics, I want to get on. Man, I've really been just chilling and working a lot. You know, I got a bunch of hobbies I like to do, so. Videos are gonna probably be every week, so I'm gonna try to get y'all guys 2 a week, depending on what kind of content we doing. But right now, man, we just sitting here trying to string this pole. Last time I was on the creek, I was throwing this out there and I didn't set my line, man, and whenever I pulled, it backlashed on me. You can see that. Whenever I pulled it, backlast on me. I'm about to break this line too. So this is what we're working with right here. Backlash rod, man. It's terrible too. So I just reeled it up and we're gonna pull this out right now. Just want to come on here and show y'all. Excuse the garage, man. It's looking pretty junky. Almost the 1st of July. I mean, 1st of the year. So we finna, get on it. This was a terrible one, bro. Look at that. That's pretty bad. Don't worry about it. We're gonna cut it out, man. Cut it out and start over. It even happened to the pros, man. Sometimes you just think you said it right and you really didn't. So we gonna. Made in Portland. Cut it out.
Mail.
Hopefully we get out here today, man, and get to catching us one. I got some new baits that came in on my my mystery tackle subscription, so shout out to them. You know, they always sending me some stuff I've never seen before. Whenever I look in there, I be like, you know what? We're gonna try this out here. So I really can like just, what I'm gonna do is next time I go to the store, I'm gonna buy a tackle box for, all those items that come in the mystery box every month that I get. I get a big one, so it's a bunch of stuff that comes and I just be like leaving it in the box. I got one that's not even open yet. Might have to start opening it on the videos too for you guys every time they come in. And we actually saved ourselves some string right here. It ain't too bad. I thought it was bad, but we still got a whole spool right there. Maybe because I put too much on there, but we're gonna get this thing stringed back up. It turned out to be good. Just enough, man, so we ain't gotta really do no restringing. I'm gonna bring 2 poles out today, and hopefully we can, probably got another hour or 2 of sunlight. Hopefully we can, grab us 1 or 2 fish out of there with the items we're fishing with. We're gonna see, man. Might have to go to the other side, fellas. There we go. There we go. There we go, baby. I knew you was in there somewhere. Yes, sir. Come on, mommy. There we go. There we go. That looked nice.
Male.
That was nice. Love to see it, man. Hell yeah. And it's active too. Let's go. That one almost got off right there. See it on the GoPro? At the camera. Y'all see what we caught it off of once again. Gotta love it, man. We out here fishing in Baytown, Texas. Fishing with this worm right here. Make sure we still got recording going. Okay. Everything nice and bright. Fishing in Baytown, man. Y'all see what's going on. Nice catch. Nice bass. Y'all see it. A worm, I caught one off last time, and we're gonna continue to throw this. Let me hurry up and get this battery changed out, man. Let's keep going, man. See how many we can catch.